Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix can't add friends on Snapchat. When you try to add friends from Snapchat, it's showing here error, something went wrong. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply close this page, and after that what you need to do is just simply open App Store or Play Store, and from there you have to search for Snapchat and make sure that you have an updated version of Snapchat. If you don't have, just simply update your Snapchat, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form is there, then what you need to do is just simply open Snapchat again, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on your profile, and then you have to tap on this here icon, and now from here just simply scroll it down, and as you can see guys, showing here feedback, so you have to tap on first one, I spotted a bug. Now after that you have to tap on profile option. Now from here you have to tap on choose topic. Now as you can see guys, it's showing here adding friends, so you have to select adding friends because we are facing the problem to adding friends on Snapchat, so you have to tap on this, and after that just simply write here about your problem. So I have already copied and given in the description as well, and after that you have to tap on submit, and after that your request will be submitted and Snapchat team will contact with you as soon as possible, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.